Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a quick mukbang video. We ordered cake from Trufa, a Greek bakery. And
just went to get coffee and then we saw these and so then we bought them.
So we're gonna test it out, taste it out, a quick mukbang. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And that's Constantine's mom. Okay, so she's opening the box. Ooh, what flavor is it?
What do you think?
I'm guessing nuts, chocolate.
Nuts and chocolate.
Nuts and chocolate?
This one's caramel and this one is chocolate peanut butter.
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna sample it out. We are gonna try these.
What are you gonna try first?
The chocolate one.
Okay. I'll do the caramel.
Okay. All right. That one tastes like peanut butter to me.
I didn't know the bite of this one.
Yeah, that tastes like peanut butter. And then
Just peanut butter?
yeah, it's just peanut butter. I like the texture though. The caramel one tastes really good.
I feel like the caramel flavor's not coming through like I thought it would though.
Really?
Yeah.
I like the texture of this one, the caramel one, more than the peanut butter one.
Really?
Yeah. Hi, doggy. Look, we have a guest. He's like, I see some cake.
Cake. Chocolate cake.
Yeah, you want some?
I don't know what you're talking about.
It was the most scrumptious cake in the entire world.
That's good, right?
That's
Which
peanut
one?
butter, right?
That's a very nice picture.
Yeah, that was Veronique. She was paparazziing us when we were walking.
I like the second one better.
Oh, I like it very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
I
second
have
one.
to go caramel.
What?
Yeah, the caramel one tastes
Okay,
better.
Natalie, you need to break the tie. Try some of this.
Here we go. Smells chocolatey, eh?
Pinky, it's not for you, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, the doggy wants some.
I like that one too.
Yeah.
Sounds up.
Say hello.
The caramel.
Yeah.
She's gonna break the tie, Veronique.
Oh, she's breaking the tie. Hold on.
Now, eat it.
You tried them.
Peanut butter?
Should we try caramel first? Which one?
I don't know, I think I need to try the peanut butter again.
Try that one again. Yeah. Which one you like better?
Look, can we do like one layer, one layer?
No.
Half and half?
Which one's
Because
better?
what I like is that you take a bite of one and then you take a bite of another one.
You look like you enjoyed that.
But if you had to choose the better one?
I like the peanut butter one.
Yeah.
I prefer without the peanuts though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the texture of this is nice and moist, and then the flavors.
peanut butter?
The
She just
caramel
doesn't
one-
like peanut butter. That's
Yeah.
why she.
But this is probably the least best quality of cakes.
My mom's is better.
Really?
This guy. Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty good considering.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was looking good.
What are the names of the two flavors?
Because
Caramel
or
flavor.
it alternates. Maybe it's gotten better. Last time
So
it wasn't
this-
the greatest that we had it. This
This
is
is
better.
the one Laura
like their
and
carrot cake is not very
Nadia
good at all.
hers.
Carrot cake is just
And
disgusting
this one
in
is
general.
the one that
It's gross.
I like carrot cake.
It has
Oh,
raisins.
If they make
all
it
about
right,
lemon,
this
too.
one is the one me and
Yeah, we have to get
Constance
that.
Please try.